Are you tired of feeling like your hormones are running the show, leaving you exhausted, moody, and struggling to maintain a healthy weight, all while juggling the demands of a busy career and family life? What if I told you that the key to unlocking hormonal harmony and vitality was hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen? That's right. The foods that you eat can be your greatest allies in the battle against hormonal chaos. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 food categories that can help support optimal hormone balance and alleviate common symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, and weight fluctuations. No complicated protocols or expensive supplements required. Just simple, whole foods that work with your body's natural rhythms. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for incorporating these hormone-friendly foods into your diet so you can harness the power of nutrition to promote overall well-being and potentially avoid or delay the need for more invasive treatments like hormone replacement therapy. As a holistic nutritionist who specializes in helping high-achieving women navigate the intricacies of hormonal health, I have seen firsthand the profound impact that simple dietary shifts can have on restoring balance and vitality. When your hormones are out of whack, it can feel like your entire life is thrown off kilter. Brain fog clouds your focus at work, PMS turns you into an emotional roller coaster, and stubborn weight clings to your midsection no matter how many Pilates classes you attend. But here's the good news. You don't have to resign yourself to riding the hormonal struggle bus indefinitely. And by strategically incorporating certain foods into your meals, you can give your endocrine system the targeted support that it needs to function at its best, without resorting to synthetic hormones or expensive supplements. Let's dive into the first food group that will help you balance your hormones without having to resort to hormone replacement therapies. Cruciferous vegetables. Think of cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts as your body's secret weapons in the fight against estrogen overload. These nutrient-dense powerhouses contain compounds called glucosinolates that support your liver's detoxification pathways, helping to eliminate excess estrogen and keep levels in a healthy range. Imagine your liver as a superhighway for hormone traffic. When there's a backup or a congestion, hormones like estrogen can build up and wreak havoc on your system. Cruciferous veggies are like the traffic control officers, directing the flow and ensuring everything runs smoothly. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition even found that women who consumed 3 or more servings of cruciferous veggies per day had lower levels of circulating estrogen compared to those who ate less than 1 serving. Just imagine, by adding a serving of Brussels sprouts to your lunch or sauteing some kale as a dinner side dish, you're providing your liver with the tools that it needs to efficiently process and eliminate excess estrogen. It's like giving your body's hormone processing plant a state-of-the-art upgrade, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently, no matter what life throws your way. As someone who's walked this path herself and guided other busy moms to hormone harmony, I know that making these small dietary shifts can add up to big results. By nourishing your body with the right foods, you're not only supporting optimal hormone balance, but also setting yourself up for sustainable fat loss, increased energy, and a newfound sense of confidence in your own skin. Number 2, healthy fats. If your hormones were an orchestra, healthy fats would be the conductor, essential for keeping all the players in sync and creating beautiful music together. Fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds provide the building blocks for hormone production while also reducing inflammation that can throw your endocrine system off balance. Healthy fats are the unsung heroes of hormone harmony, acting as the master conductors that keep your entire endocrine orchestra playing in perfect synchrony. Just as a skilled conductor ensures that every instrument chimes in precisely the right moment, these essential fats orchestrate the delicate balance of hormone production and regulation in your body. Imagine inflammation as a discordant note that threatens to throw off the entire symphony of your hormonal health. Chronic inflammation can lead to metabolic mayhem, causing frustrating weight gain, brain fog, and energy dips that make you feel like you're constantly playing catch up. But by incorporating healthy fats from nutrient-dense sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds, you're providing your body with the building blocks that it needs to create a harmonious hormone symphony. Just as a conductor carefully selects the finest instruments for their ensemble, you have the power to choose the most nutrient-dense fats to support your hormonal health. Avocados, for example, are loaded with monounsaturated fats that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds, like almonds and pumpkin seeds, provide a generous dose of magnesium, a mineral that's essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels and promoting restful sleep. In my work with high-achieving women, I've seen the transformative power of prioritizing healthy fats firsthand. Clients who once struggled with stubborn weight gain, irregular periods, and energy roller coasters were able to reclaim their vitality and rediscover their confidence by nourishing their bodies with the right building blocks for hormone balance. Number 3, omega-3 rich foods. Omega-3 rich foods like wild-caught salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts are the secret weapons in your hormone balancing arsenal. These nutrient-dense powerhouses work behind the scenes to keep inflammation at bay and ensure that your reproductive hormones are functioning at their peak. Think of inflammation as the arch enemy of hormone harmony. It's like a supervillain, wreaking havoc on your endocrine system, leaving you feeling fatigued, moody, and all out of sorts. But by regularly incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet, you're equipping your body with the tools that it needs to fight back against this hormonal villain and restore balance into your internal kingdom. Omega-3s help regulate the production of metabolism of estrogen and progesterone, the two main female reproductive hormones. This promotes regular symptom-free menstrual cycles, improved fertility, and general well-being. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that women who consumed high levels of omega-3 fatty acids had significantly lower levels of follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, both of which are involved in regulating the menstrual cycle. This suggests that omega-3s may play a key role in keeping reproductive hormones balanced and preventing the onset of hormone-related disorders like PCOS and endometriosis. In my own coaching practice, I've witnessed the incredible transformation that can occur when women prioritize omega-3 rich foods in their diets. Clients who once struggled with painful, irregular periods and debilitating PMS symptoms have found relief and renewed vitality by making simple, delicious tweaks to their daily meals. From enjoying a wild-caught salmon fillet for dinner to sprinkling flax seeds in their protein smoothies, these small changes can add up to big results in the hormone balancing department. Number 4. Antioxidant-rich foods. Free radicals might sound like a rebellious rock band, but in reality, they're molecule troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your hormonal symphony. These unstable compounds, generated by things like pollution, stress, poor diet, contribute to oxidative stress that can damage delicate hormone receptors and disrupt communication between glands. Enter antioxidants, your body's bouncers that help neutralize free radicals and prevent them from crashing the hormonal party. Colorful foods like berries, green tea, and turmeric are loaded with these protective compounds that work overtime to keep your endocrine system grooving. A study published in the Journal of Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity even found that women with PCOS who took a daily antioxidant supplement had significant improvements in insulin sensitivity and testosterone levels compared to a placebo. Picture free radicals as the molecular equivalent to party crashers, barging into your hormonal soiree uninvited and wreaking havoc on the delicate balance you've worked so hard to achieve. These rebellious compounds, born from the toxic sludge of modern life, pollution, stress, and processed junk masquerading as food, have a knack for leaving oxidative destruction in their wake. They're like hormonal vandals, spray painting graffiti all over your precious endocrine system and disrupting the intricate communication between glands. These nutritional bouncers are always on duty, working tirelessly to neutralize free radicals and prevent them from crashing your hormonal party. They're like the secret service of your endocrine system, providing VIP protection for your delicate hormone receptors and ensuring that your internal communication channels remain crystal clear. And the best part? You don't need a top secret security clearance to access these potent protectors. Mother Nature has generously sprinkled them throughout the most colorful, vibrant foods in the produce aisle. Berries, for example, are like little antioxidants grenade, bursting with compounds like anthocyanins and resveratrol that have been shown to reduce inflammation and support healthy estrogen metabolism. Green tea is another antioxidant powerhouse, loaded with catechins that help shield your thyroid from oxidative damage. And let's not forget about turmeric, the golden goddess of spices, whose main active compound, curcumin, has been hailed as a hormonal superhero for its ability to fight inflammation and support liver detoxification. The proof is in the scientific pudding, too. A study published in the journal Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity found that women with PCOS who took a daily antioxidant supplement had significant improvements in insulin sensitivity and testosterone levels compared to those who were given a placebo. In other words, antioxidants are like a secret weapon in the battle against hormonal chaos, helping to restore balance and harmony to even the most stubborn endocrine imbalances. As a nutritionist who's helped countless women reclaim their hormonal mojo, I can attest to the transformative power of an antioxidant-rich diet. From a PCOS warrior who finally regained control over her blood sugar roller coaster to the frazzled supermom who discovered the secret to all-day energy and focus, my clients have experienced the extraordinary impact of welcoming more rainbow foods into their plates. So if you're ready to give your hormones the VIP treatment they deserve, it's time to roll out the red carpet for antioxidants. Load up on berries, sip on some green tea, and don't be afraid to spice things up with a dash of turmeric. Your taste buds and your endocrine system will thank you. And if you're looking for a personalized roadmap to hormonal harmony, complete with hand-picked antioxidant superstars that match your unique needs and preferences, come join me in our signature program. Let's get you glowing from the inside out. Book your free consultation today. I'll leave the link in the description. Number 5, mineral-rich foods. If your hormones were a house, minerals would be the foundation. Without a strong base, things start to get a little bit shaky. Minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium are essential cofactors in the production and activation of hormones, but modern diets laden with processed foods can leave many women chronically depleted. Think of mineral-rich foods like leafy greens, seaweed, and pumpkin seeds as the building inspectors, ensuring that your body has all the necessary materials to construct a stable, functional hormonal home. Studies have shown that women with higher intakes of magnesium-rich foods have lower levels of inflammation and oxidative stress, while zinc deficiency has been linked to imbalances in testosterone and estrogen. By regularly incorporating mineral-dense foods into your meals, you're giving your body the raw materials that it needs to keep hormones humming along smoothly. Picture your hormonal health as a magnificent mansion, with each room representing a different gland or function. Magnesium is the cement, holding everything together, ensuring smooth communication between the various rooms. Zinc is the electrician, making sure that all the wiring is functioning properly so messages can be transmitted efficiently. And selenium? It's the master craftsman, carefully constructing the delicate receptors that allow hormones to dock and deliver their life-sustaining cargo. But here's the problem. Our modern diets, laden with processed pseudo-foods and devoid of nutrient-dense whole foods, have left many women's hormonal mansions in a state of disrepair. It's like trying to build a skyscraper with popsicle sticks and chewing gum. It might look okay from the outside, but one strong gust of wind and the whole thing comes tumbling down. That's where mineral-rich foods come in. They're like a team of expert building inspectors, ensuring your body has all the necessary materials to construct a stable, functional hormonal home. Leafy greens, for example, are loaded with magnesium, the miracle mineral that's been shown to reduce inflammation, ease PMS symptoms, and promote restful sleep. Seaweed is a true zinc powerhouse, delivering a concentrated dose of this essential nutrient that's critical for maintaining healthy levels of testosterone and estrogen. And let's not forget about pumpkin seeds, the selenium superstars that help protect your thyroid from oxidative damage and keep your metabolism humming along smoothly. As a nutritionist who's helped countless high-achieving navigate the rocky terrain of hormonal imbalance, I can attest to the transformative power of mineral-rich foods. From the executive who finally conquered her stubborn belly fat by adding more leafy greens to her plate, to the entrepreneur who banished her brain fog and fatigue with a daily dose of pumpkin seeds. I've seen firsthand how small dietary tweaks can yield big results in the hormone department. So if you're ready to build a rock-solid foundation for your hormonal health, it's time to put mineral-rich foods at the top of your grocery list. Pile your plate with spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Snack on nori sheets and pumpkin seeds. And don't be afraid to get a little wild with some oysters or grass-fed liver pate. Your taste buds and your hormones will thank you. Which one of these hormone balancing foods do you currently incorporate into your diet? Share your favorite recipes or tips in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions about incorporating more of these nutrient-dense foods into your routine. Now, I want you to imagine waking up each morning feeling like a vibrant, energized version of yourself, ready to conquer the world with boundless enthusiasm. No more hitting the snooze button repeatedly or relying on an IV drip of caffeine just to function. Getting a full night's restorative sleep and bouncing out of bed refreshed with the stamina to power through work, take care of your family, crush your workouts, and still have energy left over. Picture slipping effortlessly into your favorite outfits without the frustration of bloating or those unexplained weight fluctuations that leave you feeling like a stranger in your own body. Visualize a month free from the roller coaster of PMS. No more debilitating mood swings, crippling cramps, or insatiable cravings that derail your best intentions. Instead, imagine sailing through your cycle with steady, balanced energy and emotions, like a hormonal superhero. This is the transformative power of using food as medicine to nourish your hormones back into their natural harmonious state. By incorporating hormone balancing ingredients like cruciferous veggies, healthy fats, and mineral-rich foods into your meals, you're providing your body with the building blocks that it needs to thrive. It's like giving your endocrine system a luxurious spa day every single day. If you're ready to take the guesswork out of eating for hormonal health and finally feel at home in your body, I'd love to invite you to a complimentary Dream Body Blueprint session with my team. We specialize in helping busy, high-achieving women like you get to the root of their hormonal chaos and craft a personalized nutrition plan for sustainable results without deprivation or overwhelm. During your 45-minute consultation, we'll dive deep into your unique hormonal history, identify key food and lifestyle factors that may be holding you back, and map out a step-by-step roadmap to help you reach your health goals. No more spinning your wheels with generic diet advice or one-size-fits-all protocols. Just a customized blueprint for balance tailored to your body's needs. To claim your spot, simply click the link in the description below and choose a time that works best for you. I can't wait to help you unlock the vibrant, energetic version of yourself. If you enjoyed this video on the top hormone balancing foods, make sure to go back and watch all of our videos in our Hormone Balance for Women series. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss out on game-changing nutrition and lifestyle tips. I'll see you in the next video.